Hare Krishna. Let's start with the intermediate first year 2 mark series, that too with the sixth answer. Hama, this is unitary elastic demand. Here, where a given percentage change in the price is accompanied by an equal percentage change in the quantity demand. Such an elasticity of demand is said to be unitary elastic demand. Here, you can write like this, or you can write the formula of this. Here, how you can write is a unitary elastic demand equal to percentage change in the price demand by percentage change in the quantity demand. If you write the formula also, you will get 2 marks. Otherwise, you can also draw a diagram. Here, this is an axis. This is called as x-axis, and this is called as y-axis. Here, this is called as quantity QD. You can write the quantity demand, and this is the price curve. Here, you have to draw the two curves like this. Both should be equal, and this is a line that is called as demand curve. This is D, and this is also D, and this can be also written as elasticity of demand is equal to 1. If you write this, you will get 2 marks. Otherwise, you write like this. Otherwise, you write the formula also. Whichever is easy, you can write that one. Okay, ma? What is a demand function? The relationship between the demand and the demand factors is called as demand function. Means there will be a functional relationship between the demand and the factors related with the demand. If there is a relationship between the demand and demand related factors, that is called as demand function. This can also be represented with the help of a formula. What is the formula? Dx equal to functional relationship into price of x, comma, p1 to pn, comma, y, comma, t. Here, what is the full form of dx? Dx equal to demand for x good, and the px equal to price of x good. P1 to Pn means prices of substitutes and complementaries. Y is the income of the consumer. T is the taste of the consumer. F is the functional relationship. Here, what is substitute and what is complementary means? Substitute means for the tea, the substitute is coffee. For example, one particular faculty is not available in the college. What they will do? They will arrange the another faculty in place of this faculty. They are arranging the other faculty. That is called as substitute. Instead of this, something other thing is available. That is called as substitute goods. Here, what is complementary? For example, I want to construct a building. For constructing a building, directly or indirectly, I have to depend on the other things. For example, sand, bricks, cement, etc. Here, for constructing a building, we are depending indirectly or directly on other goods. Those goods are called as complementary goods. Here, for example, for the bike, the complementary is petrol. For the blackboard, the complementary is chalkpieces. Here, Y means income of the consumer also matters. How much is the consumer's income? Then the next one, taste of the consumer. Taste is also given priority. F is nothing but the functional relationship. If you write the formula and the full form of this, you will get the 2 marks. Next one is production function. What is production function? The production function represents the functional relationship between the quantities of input and the output produced is called as for production function. There is a relationship between the inputs and the outputs produced is called as production function. This can also be written with the help of a formula. Qx equal to functional relationship comma into n comma l comma c comma o comma t. If you write from here to here and writing the full form of this, you will get 2 marks. How is this? How you can write is Qx equal to quantity of x commodity. X means x commodity. Here there is no necessary that you have to use only x. Whatever commodity you want to use, you can use. Here n is nothing but the land. L means labor, C means capital, O means organization, T means technology. Here production function equal to Qx equal to F into functional relationship of n, comma L, comma C, comma O, comma T. If only write this, you will get 2 marks. Next one is opportunity cost. It is also called as alternative cost or economic cost. Amma, opportunity cost is also called as economic cost or as a alternative cost. Opportunity cost is the next best alternative use of the factors of production. For example, here it is a farmer decides to grow wheat instead of rye. Here he is deciding wheat is not the best option. The best option is rice. For that he is changing. Instead of wheat he is going for the alternate, that is rice. Here the opportunity cost, you have to use this line amma. Next best alternative use. If you use this, you will get 1 marks. Only from here you will get 1 marks. This is very important amma. Opportunity cost is also called as next best alternative use of factors of production. If you write this, you will get 1 marks. Compulsory you have to use this line. Next one is monopoly. What is monopoly? Mono. The word mono means single and the poly means seller. Monopoly is single seller which has no close substitute. Here I told you that substitute means instead of this something other is available in the market. But here in the monopoly has no close substitute, means if they are producing X commodity, there is no alternate for the X commodity, means no close substitute. Understood? Mono, the word mono means single, poly means seller. Here the monopoly is single seller which has no close substitutes. Understood amma? Thank you amma. Have a nice day amma.